Well, back from camping coast to coast, from Robin Hood's Bay on the east coast of the UK to the west coast to the Irish Sea, looking out towards the Isle of Man. So we're just on the clean up now. It's one thing to go on a trek, it's another thing to clean the vehicle and sort everything out and put everything away. So we're just about there. Most of the things are back in place. The tents, the fridges, all the boxes. It's just all about back in place until the next time, which is about 2 weeks time, when we set off to do the North Coast 500, which is a 500-mile trek round the top of Scotland. It's become quite famous now, and it's more of a road trip than an off-road trip, but it's got to be done. And in this case, we're going to do it with the Toyota Land Cruiser, and we're going to take a new Land Rover Defender, brand new Land Rover Defender with us, and a new Ford Raptor. So it's going to be an interesting journey on the NC500 with the latest Defender, the latest Ford Ranger, and the Land Cruiser, which is a little bit old school but a fantastic vehicle. So there you go, it'll be good fun. Won't be taking the bike because the battery appears to have stopped working on it, which is a little bit of a disappointment after 2 years. The Bosch battery, gonna have to get that checked out in the next fortnight. And something that always makes me smile, 1664 beer. And the joke about 1664 beer is there are 1664 girls. From the back they look 16, and from the front 64. It's a very old joke, but makes me smile. Anyway, over and out from the Yorkshireman.